Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Threads downloading error on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent download. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check available storage on your iPhone. Go to Settings and then tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage and make sure you have enough space to download Threads. If storage is full, delete some unused apps or files. Now restart your iPhone. This clears temporary glitches that block download. Turn off your phone, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. After that, pause and resume the download. If you see Threads in the App Store with a downloading label, tap it to pause, then tap again to resume. This often fixes stock download. If the app still doesn't download, delete any previous Threads download. If the app shows up on your home screen or app library as waiting, press and hold the icon, tap delete app and try downloading again from the app store. Finally, restart your Wi-Fi router. If the downloading keeps failing, quick router reset can fix network issue affecting app downloads. And that's it. This step should fix Threads downloading errors on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.